All right, what is up, everybody? It's May 10th. It's absolutely beautiful out. It's almost noon, so it's just about high tide now. Zach's gonna come pick me up in the Yojair. Reaper boats are still up on blocks. Should be in the water hopefully by the weekend. Hey, quiet now. So, but luckily I still got Zach in the Yojair, so super pumped. So the plan is we're gonna fish the whole outgoing tide. The goal is a full-on fluke keeper limit. So 2 between 17 and 17.99, and then 1 over. We want 6 of them. Let's go. Let's go. Super excited. I got lots of gear. I'll show you everything. Zach's coming to get me. We're getting out of here. So pumped. I love fluke fishing. And today I'm just angler, so I'm just gonna focus on bucktailing and minnowing and catching. See y'all out there. One of Zach's custom rods there. Hopefully we get them going. We fished briefly yesterday. We were mostly after stripers. We didn't get any. Did a couple fluke drifts. I think like 4 or 5 shorts, nothing crazy. But the sun's out today. It was really overcast, kind of windy yesterday. So hopefully they chew today. See, we got plenty of gear, 2 or 3 tackle bags. We're gonna put the minis in there with an aerator. Got my obligatory energy combination. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. Got my 2 rods there. Zachy's got one there, one there. One over there. He's got something else. Oh, I got that just in case we see any blues. We've got tons of gulp. I brought some gulp. We got an aerator. There's minnows in there. We got all bases covered. There's no wind all morning. It's starting to howl now. But we should be shielded back there, and it'll keep the gnats away, the no-see-em. So Zachy's just running my grubs, get something, and we're going to get the heck out of here. All right, y'all. We are going to start off, I think. We got a little bit of incoming left. Water temp's 59 degrees. I'm gonna start off with my minnow rig, I think. I might even do 2. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. The world is ours. The world is ours. I'm gonna conquer it. Ready? Look what I got. Look at all these shrimp. Look at the different colors. It's green. Yeah. See that? Yeah. I had them already. Look. Orange, pink. Look at this one. You look, just the pennies, right? The gold pennies. Oh, come on, be a fish.
Makes you want to play the water.
Yeah, right? That's a fish.
Told you I'd get you one. Net.
No, he's tiny. Oh, wait. Yeah, he's tiny.
Sure?
Yeah. Pretty darn. Yeah, he's little.
Told you right on my mark, dude.
Yeah. Oh, look what he spit up, dude. He spit up a whole, like, giant sand eel, looked like. Come here, handsome. Oh man, barely had him hooked. Okay. First fishy.
Right on my mark.
Right on your mark. You called it. He said, I'm gonna put you on one. I love fishing. Oh, there it is, Zach. Get him. Get him, baby. Netter? Oh, that's a nice fish. What are you talking about? Yes. Not as big as I thought. He hit the bottom though.
Yeah.
That's one keeper.
I got it.
Yes!
Oh, he's close.
No, dude, he's a keeper, for sure. Yes!
I know my fluke. Yes.
Dude, we are in a zone, Bob. We are in a zone right now, dude. We are in the zone. Now, you little. Right? Yeah, you little guy.
Come on, baby.
We got our zone now, baby. Okay. Ding, ding.
Down on the bucktail.
Yeah, on the bottom one. All right.
Measure that.
He's little.
Measure.
No, he's like 50 inches. He's little. He's tiny.
Nice in front.
Okay, on the bucktail. Little guy. Come on, fish.
Where they at?
I don't know, man.
That suck.
Apparently. Oh, I just got nailed.
Yes.
They're in the spot.
Every time.
Every time.
Net?
Nah. I don't think so. Might be close. I don't know, dude.
Tape on him.
Tape on him. It's like
This spot's
we can't break the 16 and a half mark, can we?
As soon as you said that, I saw my rod just get whacked. 16 and a half, dude.
Stacked up. Got him stacked up.
Got him.
Yes.
That's a good one, Zach. Stay glued, baby. Stay glued. Oh, I just got him hooked weird. He might be a keeper. He might make the stick. He might make the stick. Come here, baby. Yep. Yes. I dropped it right on his head. Yeah, it's a keeper for sure. Dropped it right on his head, dude. I was like, there's no way I have one. And I did. That's a keeper. Dropped it right on his head. I looked at my rod. I was like, wait a second. Mark that spot. Mark that spot. First keeper, guys. We've been grinding. He's right at 17. Wow. Okay. Sorry, baby. I got a good one. Oh, I got a monster. I got a monster. I got him.
Give me the net.
Good. Yeah. I got a monster, Zach.
Oh,
Get him. Yes! Yes!
that's the one.
That's right.
On the fish.
Just like that. Yo, bud, that's two. Yes! I'm telling you, man. Just mosey around that spot, baby.
On the box there.
Yes. Look at that. I literally just dropped that down there. That's a nice one, guys. He absolutely, what does Dylan say? Choked it. He choked it. He's probably 20 inches. All right, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful, nice fish. Beautiful, nice guy. Let's get a measurement. How big he is, and then I gotta re-rig. 21 inches. Yep. All right, guys, we got a couple. Just like that, we're in treacherous seas here. I mean, it's howling, but just like that, just goes to show you gotta persevere. All right, y'all, that's two keepers. This minnow bucket is so fun. Come on, let's get a couple of more now. A couple of more. Oh yeah, it's a good one. That's another good one, Zach. Oh yeah, that's another keeper.
Oh, he's feisty. Look at
Yo,
him.
look at him fighting. Look at him fighting. Look at this treacherous back bait fluking. Yeah, it's another one for Chrissy. Outgoing tide. He choked it again. Yo, dude. Oh, I love it. It's so fun. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Just like that. Chrissy is limited with his 3. Yes. Now, because I got Zach, well, because Zach has me, we can keep.
Working a lot up here.
So now we have our 2 overs.
Is that an over?
Yeah. Oh, actually, I don't know. Let me measure him. Yeah, you're right. Let's see. Yeah, I think he's gonna be over. I think he's probably gonna be like 18. Let's see. So. All right, baby. Stay still. Okay, so he is, yeah, he's 18 and a half. So we got our 2 overs. All right, y'all. So we got our 2 over fish. All right, so now we're in the slot. Now we're playing the slot game. All right. I'm on fire. I'm on fire, y'all. I'm just on fire. Feels, he's tiny. Oh, he's gonna be close. It might be a 17. It might be a 17. We'll see. Maybe not. Probably not.
I don't know.
But he's worth a measure. Oh, dude. He is literally like 16 3/4.
Step on him.
Really close.
Step on him.
The old dead stick gets you every time. Treacherous conditions, guys. Treacherous. All right, guys. One. Two. And the big guy. That beautiful fish. I'd be able to get this boat limited if I had a little contribution from El Capo over there. Cat takes credit for all the fish. Just real quick, look at these waves. Try not to show too much of the background. Literally, we've got standing waves. Oh, it's treacherous, team. We're in treacherous waters here. Dude, thank you, man, for taking me out, man. This is so fun. I'm having such a good time. We got a fleet, that's right. We got a fleet, baby. Yeah. No reapers, that's okay. You got River Reaper and Yojair. I don't need reapers. On the bucktail, baby. Nah, he's little. He's little, it's okay. It's a fish. Better one. That's a keeper. Good job, Cap. Yeah, ready? That's definitely a keeper. Got him. Oh, he might be close. Let's see, Zachy. Oh yeah, dude. He's a keeper all day. Yeah, Zach's on the board. He's on the board. Oh, now I got the motor. Sorry. Where's she at? Where's she at? Back in the game. All right, y'all, probably just another drift or so. We're probably just about done. So I think what, 4 keepers or 5? 4. 5. 4. Yeah. So we had the 4, a lot of like 16 and a half. So grind. But we had a magic hour there where we got a good amount of fish. Super fun. Thanks to Zachy for taking me out. So let's see, finish out this drift and get on out of here. Fresh fluke for dinner, baby. Pump. Good God, look at that thing. How pretty is he? Fuck, that thing's awesome. All right, y'all, so here's the final tally. So yeah, we just kind of got that magic hour there, really. So nothing stellar. It was a grind of a day. What a blast. We just couldn't find those last 2 slots, so no complaining. Let me get the fillet in, divvy up between me and Zachy, and have an awesome dinner, that's for sure.